My name is Terry Clark, and I'm a health and fitness coach. I want to share with you 3 steps that can help you get fit faster. Step number 1, fix your diet. Everything begins and ends with the food that you eat. There are 3 reasons why we eat food. 1 is for pleasure, 2 is for energy, and 3 is for medicine. Food will help you get healthy. Once you get healthy, then you can get fit. Know why you're eating the foods that you're eating. Step number 2, learn your body. Learn what foods your body responds to. Learn what activities your body responds to. Get your measurements down. Know your stressors. Know your limitations. You can tailor a program that best meets your needs. Your body is unique. It is not like anyone else's body. The things that work for other people will not work for you. Learn what your body responds to, and then make your body respond to it. Step number 3, get active. Find things that you like to do that are going to get you moving. Walking and standing are really great activities because you can do them all day long and they'll keep you from living a sedentary lifestyle. Use exercise as a supplement and not a substitution for an active lifestyle.